Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a heated topic that's been buzzing through the corridors of the Supreme Court. Is there a constitutional right to talk about abortion? In recent years, the Supreme Court under Chief Justice John Roberts has taken a particularly robust stance on free speech. They've stretched the First Amendment's protective net to cover some pretty controversial areas. From allowing the sale of videos depicting animal torture, to enabling unlimited political spending and even the right for public employees not to pay union dues. Yeah, the First Amendment has been working overtime. But here's where it gets really interesting. Last year in the 303 Creative case, the court ruled that a Christian web designer had the First Amendment right to refuse service to customers wanting a same-sex wedding website, citing her beliefs about marriage. This decision has sparked a huge debate. How far does the right to free speech really extend? Now, fast forward to today, and we're looking at a topic that's as divisive as ever: abortion. The question on everyone's mind is whether discussions about abortion also fall under the protective umbrella of the First Amendment. Given the court's recent track record, you'd think the answer would be a resounding yes, right? Well, it's not that simple. The Ninth Circuit recently heard Idaho's appeal, which brings us another layer of complexity. The state has its own views on abortion, and how it's discussed could challenge the broad interpretations of free speech we've seen so far. Why does this matter to you and me? Because the outcome could set a precedent that affects not just how abortion is discussed, but potentially any controversial topic in the future. Are we looking at a scenario where free speech becomes a selective right, applied differently based on the topic? Or will the Supreme Court maintain its broad shield of protection for all forms of speech, no matter how contentious? As we await the court's decision, it's crucial for us to stay informed and understand the nuances of these legal battles. They don't just affect the parties involved, they shape the landscape of American rights and freedoms. So, what do you think? Should talking about abortion be protected under the First Amendment? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get a conversation started. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, whether you agree or disagree, the most important thing is to keep the dialogue open and respectful. Stay curious and see you in the next video.